Hi friends, this is Vivek from Catcher and in today's video I am comparing two smartphones. One of them is Intex Cloud Swift while the other one is Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Intex launched the Cloud Swift in India at a price tag of Rs 8,888 while the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser starts Rs 9,999. The 2 GB variant costs Rs 9,999 while the 3 GB variant costs Rs much more to the when compared to the 2 GB variant. The 3 GB variant costs nearly 13,999 while the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser 6 costs Rs 17,999. And these are some of the price difference which you will find with the device. Apart from this, there are a lot more differences when it comes to the design and other specifications. We shall be starting with the display size. The Intex Cloud Swift features 5-inch HD IPS display screen and it is protected by Dragon Tail glass. While when it comes to Asus Zenfone 2 Laser, it features 5.5-inch HD display with 72% skin to body ratio and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Both the smartphones are sketches and you will not find any problem with the display of both the devices. Above the display there is a 5 megapixel front facing camera with hinge of sensor and speaker gill above the display, and the on-screen buttons are part of the navigation buttons are part of the on-screen, and there is a home button placed at the bottom below the display. While on the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser, above the display there is a 5 megapixel front facing camera and Asus branding with a speaker gill. There are navigation button that sits below the display and there is a metal chin. The Asus Zenfone 2 Laser follows the design of earlier Asus Zenfone series. On the right hand side you will see there are no physical buttons on Asus Zenfone 2 Laser, while there is a push button by which you can move the back panel of the device. The same goes with the Intex Cloud Swift. There is a push button at the edge and at the top of the device there is a 3.5mm audio jack on both the device, but on Asus Zenfone 2 Laser there is a power key and a mic at the top. At the bottom there is a micro USB slot on both the device and another mic on Zenfone 2 Laser, while on the left hand side there is a power key and volume rocker button on Intex Cloud Swift, while there are no physical buttons on the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. At the back on Intex Cloud Swift there is a 8 megapixel camera with LED flash with Intex branding and a big speaker. The back panel of the Intex Cloud has a sketchy finish and you can easily feel the back finish of the Intex Cloud Swift, and when you hold the smartphone in your hand it offers a premium feel, but it looks a lot similar when you look at the other Intex smartphone. While at the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser there is a 13 megapixel camera with real-time flash and laser autofocus. There is a volume rocker button made up of metal with Asus branding and Zenfone, and there is a big speaker just below the Zenfone. Removing the back panel of the Zenfone 2 Laser, you will get access to dual SIM card slots and the battery. It will take a little bit time to remove the back panel of the device, and as you can see that it's a hybrid SIM card slot by which you can use the micro SD card above and the SIM card slot below it, and there is another SIM card slot. You can remove the battery. The Asus Zenfone 2 Laser packs 3000 mAh battery and it can be easily removed. And while on the Intex Cloud Swift, there is no problem in removing the back panel of the device. While although it takes the same time as of Asus Zenfone 2 Laser, but it has dual SIM card slots and a battery capacity of 2500 mAh. You can insert the micro SD card. By using micro SD card, you can increase the memory further 128 GB on Intex Cloud Swift, while on the Zenfone 2 Laser you can also increase the memory further up to 128 GB. The back panel of Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has a pretty good build quality when compared to the Intex Cloud Swift. The buttons are the volume key and power key are part of the back cover on Intex Cloud Swift, while there is nothing as such when it comes to Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. Both the smartphone in the nearly the price tag offers a premium feel and value for money. But when we look at the specifications front and the build quality of the device, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has edge over Intex Cloud Swift. By tapping on notification toggle panels gives you access to few settings, as you can see on both the smartphones, and the Asus Zenfone 2 runs on Android version 5.0 with Zen UI 2.0 on top of it, while the Intex Cloud Swift runs on Android version 5.1 on with it's a stock Android, but it is a little bit customized and it comes preloaded with number of applications, as you can see that when you click on the app door. The same goes with the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser. It also comes preloaded with number of apps which are not useful. The Intex Cloud Swift has iStore and you can install the number of applications required from there. And apart from this, both the smartphone has 4G LTE connectivity and with 3G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS support. The Intex Cloud Swift is powered by 1.3 GHz MediaTek MT6735A 64-bit processor, which is paired with Mali T72 GPU, while the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is powered by 1.2 GHz quad-core Snapdragon 410 processor, which is paired with Adreno 306 GPU. The other variant is octa-core Snapdragon 615 processor, which is paired with Adreno 405 GPU. And you can easily find the hardware information pretty easily. It is 410 Snapdragon processor. It has 2 GB of RAM. Both the smartphone has, while the Intex Cloud Swift is the second smartphone from Intex which has 3 GB of RAM. The smartphone has 16 GB in built memory. Clearly on storage front, both the smartphone are same, but Intex Cloud Swift has 3 GB of RAM while the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has 2 GB of RAM. Both the smartphone comes with 4G LTE connectivity, and considering the price tag and the features, the Asus Zenfone 2 Laser has edge over Intex Cloud Swift. Packs bigger battery when compared to Intex Cloud Swift, a better camera, and the other connectivity features are there too. Uh, that's all. Uh, if you are tight on budget, you will go for Intex Cloud Swift. It is also not a bad phone. It has 3 GB of RAM, the second smartphone from Intex which has 3 GB of RAM. While if you are looking for a smartphone under 10,000 segment, then Asus Zenfone 2 Laser is a good investment. And this is your host Vivek signing off. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the upcoming video.